Seedance 2.0 is coming soon, and the internet is already going crazy about it. From Twitter teasers, to Reddit discussions, to early demo clips, everything is pointing to a major upgrade in AI video. Today, I'm breaking down everything publicly known about Seedance 2.0 using real sources, real posts, and real demos. And trust me, this one looks big. First, let's open the official page. Right away, you can see this isn't a small update. They're clearly positioning it as a major evolution. Now, let's check the technical preview blog. This blog talks about improvements in motion, quality, and workflow. So, this already tells us 2.0 is not just cosmetic, it's structural. 2. Official teaser on X, Twitter. Now let's look at one of the biggest signals online. Open the post on screen. This teaser post got massive attention. When major platforms start teasing something publicly like this, it usually means launch is close. And look at the comments. People are asking, when is it releasing? Is this better than competitors? How do we get early access? That's real hype. Now let's open Reddit. Look at the discussion here. The main themes people keep repeating are: motion looks smoother, character consistency looks improved, audio syncing looks realistic. When multiple users say the same thing independently, that's a strong signal. What's known so far now? Let's break down what's publicly circulating. Multimodal input mixing reports suggest Seedance 2.0 supports up to 12 mixed inputs. That means you can upload a character image, a reference dance video, background music, a text prompt all together. Instead of generating separately and editing later, everything works in one system. That's a huge workflow upgrade. Native audio plus video generation. Another big rumor, Seedance 2.0 generates audio and video at the same time. That means footsteps match walking speed, music aligns with motion, ambient sounds adjust to the environment. Instead of adding sound later, it's built in. That makes everything feel more natural. In-model editing. This one is very important. Instead of regenerating the full video, you can edit using prompts. For example, change the background to a futuristic city. Extend the scene by 3 seconds. Swap the character outfit. If this works well, it could save creators hours. Quality plus speed improvements. Early reports suggest 1080p output, around 30% faster generation compared to 1.5 Pro, more realistic lighting, better textures. Usually, speed and quality don't improve together, but if this is accurate, that's a big jump. Advanced motion synthesis. Sources mention 5 to 12 second clips powered by a new motion engine. Expect smooth athletic movement, complex choreography, natural gestures, less robotic physics. This solves one of AI video's biggest weaknesses, multi-shot storytelling. Instead of random clips, Seedance 2.0 may support narrative sequences. Scene 1 flows into Scene 2. Character stays consistent. Lighting adjusts logically. That feels more like filmmaking. Character consistency breakthrough. From what we're seeing in demos, facial features stay stable, outfits remain the same, small details don't randomly change. For storytelling creators, this is huge. Smooth motion, cinematic lighting, depth and realism, strong character stability. Compared to older AI models, this looks more production-ready. Quick workflow demo on Higgsfield.ai. Now, let me quickly show you the workflow. Go to Higgsfield official website. Upload your assets, add your prompt, generate. Everything happens in one place. No mobile app, only use the official website. All apps on the App Store or Play Store are not affiliated. Seedance 2.0 specifications are not officially confirmed yet. Everything discussed in this video is based on publicly available sources, early reports, and community discussions as of February 2026. Features may change at launch. Why this matters? If everything we've seen turns out to be true, Seedance 2.0 could reduce editing time, improve realism, fix character consistency, make AI storytelling more professional. This isn't just another update. This could raise the bar for AI video. Outro. If you want to sign up for early access, check the links below. Sign up here. And if you want first access through my link, it's in the description. Let me know in the comments, which feature are you most excited about? Character consistency? Native audio generation? In-model editing? Seedance 2.0 is coming, and it looks serious. See you in the next video.